I had my own company in Southern California that I had for 22 years. And during that time, I came across ATEN, and they worked with me to provide solutions for a long time. I feel strongly about ATEN and how they worked with me in the US and provided a quality product at a good price.
We wanted all the students to be able to see that, and you see the screens outside and the screen out the front. We wanted to be able to control that all in a simple tablet format. What we could do, we provide the 8-port switcher, which allows you to do that, and we provide the control system, which is in there and in the white box.
I think for the Vive Cooking School, it's such a well put together cooking school, because often when I'm doing a cooking demonstration, it can be hard to make sure that everyone in a big room full of people can see exactly what I'm doing. But the ability to have multiple cameras and chop between them, whether I'm doing something over here or something over there, and getting right into the action is a really useful thing. And the technology that's installed in the cooking school is a huge help for that.
It's been a great event, very fun, something different to a lot of the other trade events I go to.
Probably the funnest way, I think, to get an understanding of a good product, ATEN, at the Vive Cooking School, because I've been at the back actually. So for that sort of position, it's very hard to see the counter. The ATEN product is just in the background, seamless, and you don't even notice it's there, but you can see everything that's happening.
They've got some really clever niche products. Whilst it's a very mature product overseas, it's not very mature in Australia. It's quite new to us. But when you look through the catalogues, I'm really impressed with some of the technology. I've been specifying it now for quite some time.